now looking at question 11.7. The text reads as follows. The debate over urban surveillance is not just about privacy versus security, it's about the kind of society we want to live in. The use of surveillance tools needs to be critically examined, not only for their immediate impact, but also for the long term implications on democratic values and human rights. So the question reads as follows. The use of a semicolon in surveillance, it's about the kind of society we want to live in, is used to do what? So let's highlight in the paragraph as well. Okay, so there it is highlighted and there is our statement. So, A, it lists multiple separate ideas about surveillance. B, introduce a contrasting statement about the broader implications. C, conclude the discussion on surveillance's benefits. Or D, clarify the definition of surveillance. So, A lists multiple separate ideas about surveillance. It doesn't specifically do that, it doesn't really include many ideas. B, introduce a contrasting statement about the broader implications. That is a possibility. C, conclude the discussion on surveillance's benefits. That would not be correct because we are specifically referring to a semicolon. Or D, clarify the definition of surveillance. Incorrect as well. So we choose option B. Why do we choose option B? Introduce a contrasting statement about the broader implications. Let's highlight that. So if we look at the semicolon, we are saying that the debate over urban surveillance is not just about privacy versus security. Okay, that is one statement. It's about the kind of society we want to live in. So the reason why it's a contrasting statement is because on the one hand, we're saying it's not just about privacy versus security, but then on the other hand, we're saying there is a specific society that we want to live in. So the semicolon is pivoting from discussing privacy to broader societal implications, and therefore it correlates with option B.